rice cake machine SYP8502. Titanium Coated Mould and 50 bucks separated, and it will be alarm lamp there will be added from Mexico. Very nice. Okay, temperature. This is set temperature and this is present temperature. You can adjust the temperature with this switch buttons. 4 switches here are the same as before. Heater, pump operation, automatic operation, and manually operation. You can manually up and down of the mode. The 3 dial controllers speed is 4.7. Thickness 50 and depth of core is a 3.0 as a first default setting. And pressure around 150. The black color number. The check or set the pressure gauge, you have to go closer to use it longer. When you check the pressure gauge, you can open it and check it. The emergency button here. Alright. And 3 solenoid valve is provide the electric signal to the machine. The light is moving as per the signal with mold movement. And it's a standard size cylinder, and below that it's a pressure support valve that helps to keep the stable pressure. 7-phase motor and pump, oil tank and fan. Fan must be on all the time during the machine works. It's white rice and brown rice mix, 50-50%. And the feeding plate. When the feeding plate go forward, it's a pulse sensor. The red light is turned off. When the feeding plate come back to the end, it's a turn on again. Otherwise, it cannot go to the next step. Turn off now. Come back, turn on again. 2 springs is the feeding plate to bring back, and the drive motor and gearhead to make the feeding plate go forward. This oil valve here is automatically oil controlling. Check valve and leak valve. Leak valve is related with the pressure control. Insert related wrench, counterclockwise increase pressure, on-clockwise decrease pressure. There's a motor and oil tank here. Okay, and it's a control box here. It's an inverter, 50 Hz, and reset button you have, and the SSI is a they have to keep the stable temperature, and breaker and the contactor based on PCB. PCB is the brain of this machine, and transformer there. Oil tank. Inside oil tank, hydraulic oil 20 liters. Alright. Right.